Are you tired of boring shrimp? I'm gonna show you how to level up your shrimp with some Cajun seasonings that's gonna wanna make that special someone give you a little right on your lips. Let's go. Guys, so I'm just using some pre-cooked shrimp. I like to use pre-cooked shrimp because I prefer shrimp that's already been mud veined. I'm not interested in eating shrimp poop. So I'm starting with this. Now you can do this exact same recipe with uncooked shrimp if you want. I just would suggest you don't eat the poop, but that's up to you. I picked this Cajun injection up because it was on discount at my local grocery store and I wanted to try it in some other stuff. But of course I had to buy like 37 bottles because I'm a glutton. So we're gonna go for a Cajun shrimp and we're just gonna pour that Cajun seasoning right down on top of it. One thing with shrimp is it's very easy to dry it out when you cook it, especially when you're dealing with shrimp that's already been cooked. So you don't want that to happen. Now we also want to make sure that it has a deep, rich kind of flavor to it. So we're gonna hit it with a little bit of parquet. You can use straight butter if you want to, but I'm really a big fan of parquet. Now we're also gonna hit it with some lemon juice, but before we do that, we're not gonna waste that zest. We're also gonna get some lemon zest right down on top of there. Next, we're gonna hit it with the juice from said lemon. And we're only gonna give it about half of a lemon here because this bad boy is juicy as hell and we don't have a whole lot of shrimp. Our last step is we're gonna take Old Bay seasoning. There really is nothing better for seafood. And we're just gonna give it a healthy little dose very slowly from the shaker. There we go. Give it a healthy dose of that Old Bay. Don't be scared. We got a lot of liquid in here. Guys, that's all it takes. We're gonna get this on the smoker at 250 degrees for about an hour. Again, the shrimp is cooked. So all we're really trying to do at this point is really nail in that flavor. Guys, so we started off with pre-cooked shrimp that had already been mud veined. We threw it in a pan, we used some Cajun injection, and we threw some parquet in on top of it and then gave it a generous dose of that Old Bay seasoning. We threw it on the smoker, we gave it about an hour with some of that sweet cherry wood, and now we have some delicious Cajun shrimp. Look at that. Fred's gonna be helping us today. Smells great. You can smell that injection on there. That marinade. Go ahead and grab one. What do you think of the smell?
Smells good.
You ready? Let's go. It's sweet. It's savory. It's got a nice mix of spices. It's Fred approved. I'm talking with my mouth full because I got no class.
Obviously, it's Fred approved. I love shrimp.
It was very good. Guys, super basic shrimp recipe. It's gonna make you look like a straight grilled G.
Getting it all.
Guys, skullandmortar.com. We don't sell Old Bay, but we sell all kinds of stuff that you'll love to cook with. Also, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We are getting very close to 10,000 subs. And remember, for every like that we get on our videos for the rest of the year, we're gonna donate 1 penny to charity. So go ahead and make your boy suffer. 1 penny doesn't sound like a lot until you hit that like button a lot of times. You know what I mean? Let's make it happen. Guys, I'll see you next week with a brand new video. We're bringing back, oh, that's it. We'll just leave it at that. We'll see you next week at a brand new video.
What were you gonna say if we bring it back what?
I don't know.
You should bring your sexy back.
No, I don't. I lost track of what I was gonna say.
Is it in there?
What? So after we get you looking dope as possible in your Skull and Mortar t-shirt, we gotta get to the cooking. We might as well get that food tasting fly as possible with your Beach Bum Barbecue Rub, made exclusively by Skull and Mortar. It's award winning. It's gonna take your food from the top to
from the bottom to the top. And after we sauce you up, we might as well rub you up, my friends, with that skull and mortar rub. That's right, don't be a pervert. We're not talking about that kind of rub up, my friend. We're talking about the rub that you put on your meat. Again, come on, dude. Have some class. Put this on your chicken, your pork, your beef, your fish. It doesn't matter, you can put it on anything. If you can find something you can't put it on, shoot me a DM because you'll literally blow my own mind. Check it out now at skullandmortar.com.